Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to talk about growing your business and how to actually do it right. So a couple of days ago, I got an email from one of my students. He actually made his first commission. He was really excited. So he said if I have any tips for him. So I obviously did a full write-up for him and just gave him a couple of cool stuff. But what I'm going to do, because something I explained to him, something that, an overall plan that I gave to him, that I wanted to share with you in this video too, because I believe that this is going to be really important to a lot of you guys who are starting up, okay? And this is about growing your business, because it's not just about making that commission, but most of the times a lot of people make their commissions. What happens is that they just can't scale it up. They cannot make more money from the commissions they're making, and this is like a big problem. And there's a simple solution to fix it, but you got to actually work to make it happen. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to talk about exactly how you can scale your business to make a ton of money. Go from small commissions every single day, maybe like 20 bucks, 25 to a couple of $1,000s every single day, and you can do this fast if you implement this in your business. All right, so first of all, let me tell you something, that if you're building a business based on free traffic, you're in trouble. Okay, if you follow me on YouTube, you know that most of the times I talk about paid traffic. I have no love for free traffic. I mean, it's cool to get free traffic. Why not? Free is always good, right? But I don't focus on free traffic because it's simply not scalable, and that's one of the big problems with free traffic. You don't have control. You don't have control over it. You cannot, you cannot improve it. You cannot scale it the way you should. Let's say your business is growing. Let's say you're making 100 bucks a day from a specific site. So your plan is to make maybe $1,000 a day from a specific site, right? From that site, let's say if you're doing paid advertising, you can just spend more money on ads, and then you're gonna make more sales. That's a simple way to do it. But if you're getting free traffic from Google, you gotta put a ton of time to actually maybe get more links, get more backlinks, so you improve your SEO and all of that stuff. So it's a lot of work, and you're not sure exactly whether it's gonna actually work or not. So that's why I don't like free traffic. So let's talk about paid traffic. So the way I usually recommend people growing their business is that when you start making some commissions online, what you need to do is you need to start creating a circle in your business. This is really important. Pay attention, because this is going to change the way you do business. So for example, let's say you have a website, okay? And let's say this is your website. Now it doesn't matter what it is. Let's say it's a blog, or let's say it's a landing page, whatever, right? And somehow the traffic is coming. If you have paid traffic, existing paid traffic, that's awesome. But if it's free traffic, you can still make it work. So the way I do it is that, for example, let's say your site is making $25 a day. So that's your income from the website, and you want to maybe get it to $1,000. That's how much you want to make every single day. So what you do is you need to actually create a circle. The way you do this, you do it by running retargeting ads and just doing a couple of things at the same time. So the first thing is you want to build a list from this website and just send people back to the website. Okay, so you can maybe have pop-ups, like asks people to get, for their name and email, to maybe show them a video or something related to what they're reading on your website or your article, if you want to get really detailed. So that's one way. The best way to actually do this is like my most favorite way, is to actually do retargeting ads. Now this is how you grow a business, okay? Just advertising, plain and simple, paid advertising, right? So retargeting is basically when, let's say someone visits your website, right? They engage with your content, they read maybe a couple of articles, and they like your content. So what you do is you run an ad to them, they see an ad, and maybe you send them to an opt-in page, because now because they engage with your content, right? You send them to maybe an opt-in page and ask them to sign up to your list, to maybe receive something, maybe sell them something, give them a product or something like that. So this is one of the way to do retargeting. And the second way, there are a lot of different ways to do retargeting, guys. Okay, so let me actually do another one. This is a cool one. So the second way, which is like, this is my most favorite way, and this comes from my most favorite source of traffic, and that is YouTube. You can do retargeting on YouTube. So let's say you have a small YouTube channel. If you've seen my previous videos. If you haven't, you should definitely do so. I talk about YouTube advertising a lot, and especially like building YouTube channels for every product that you promote as an affiliate, right? So let's say you have a YouTube channel with a couple of videos. So what you do is, let's say someone just organically, they come to your video and they watch the video. So that's them coming watching the video, right? So what you do is you need to do retargeting ad, and this is your advertising. So you're gonna send them to watch another video on your YouTube channel. The way you can do it, if you wanna do it smart, is that you can have an ad video, okay? This is a video that no one actually sees, okay? No one sees it on your YouTube channel. The way you do this is, when someone visits your, like, this is your value video, when they watch this video, they see an ad, and they're gonna be able to watch this advertising. So because they engage with your content once, you're gonna be able to say, hey, if you wanna learn more, let's say this was a dog training video, you're gonna have another video. Because they watch this, they're gonna see your retargeting ad, which is this is another video, and they're gonna be like, you're gonna be like, hey, if you enjoy, I see that you watched that video, maybe if you wanna learn more about dog training, you can download this free ebook. You build a list like that, or you can just check out this product in the description. You build a list like that. See, the way it works is that when you have a good retargeting system in your business, everything is going to run smooth, and this is how you should grow a business. So when you let's say you start your business and you make some money, you make some small commissions, maybe 25 bucks, 50 bucks a day, you need to spend money on retargeting, not plain advertising yet, but retargeting. Okay, this is like, you gotta spend most of your money on retargeting. I usually don't recommend people to keep the money they make. If you're making maybe 20 bucks a day from advertising, from affiliate marketing, I don't recommend you to keep that money, because that money is not gonna get you anywhere. Think about it, it's like 600 bucks a month. That's not gonna do anything. So spend it back in your, invest it back in your business, and just do retargeting like this. You can do this on Facebook too. Let's say you do Facebook ads and someone comes to your landing page, but they don't sign up. So you can actually do another advertising, send them to maybe a page so they can read an article or watch a video, or you can just send them to another opt-in page. Maybe they didn't like that first opt-in page, you can send them to another opt-in page. So again, you can do a lot of cool stuff with retargeting, and that's how you should spend your money to grow it. Okay, so if you're making some small commissions every single day, you should definitely do retargeting to grow your business. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, but leave in a comment, and also just leave a comment and let me know that you watched this video. Let me know that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any input on this video, and let me know what you think about it. All right, so thank you so much. Make sure to leave a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every single day. And by the way, I'm going to leave a link in the description. That's going to take you to the Gold Masterclass workshop. This is a workshop that I take you through everything when it comes to affiliate marketing, step by step, and I teach you everything in detail. You're going to see me building campaigns live in front of you, and also you're going to actually see me I'm going to give you a lot of resources in PDF files and videos to help you to start growing your business. This is really cool. It's a brand new workshop that I just developed a couple of days ago, and it's actually, I published a video about it I think a couple of days ago, and it's completely brand new. In this whole workshop, I share everything, I talk about affiliate marketing in detail, and also I share all my brand new strategies. So these are things that I've never talked about in past, and you're gonna learn a lot of cool stuff if you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way. All right, so the link is in the description. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.